In the previous chapter, we learned about the differences between the API and implementation configurations. In this chapter, we will examine what happens when two different versions of the same dependency are requested in a project, resulting in a version conflict. A version conflict happens when two different versions of the same dependency are requested in a project. Let's look at two projects: our calculator application, which is our consumer project, and a math library, our producer project. In the calculator's build file, we have a direct dependency on this math library. We also have a direct dependency on OkHttp version 5.2.0. However, when we look at the math library's build file, we see that it also requires OkHttp, but it requests version 5.3.0. This will result in a version conflict for OkHttp. Since a class path can only host one version of a library at a time, Gradle must resolve the conflict by selecting a single version. By default, Gradle considers all requested versions of OkHttp for the configuration being resolved and selects the highest version. Gradle selects the highest version because it assumes that there are features available only in the higher version that are being used, and any features used in older versions are likely to also be available in the higher version. Let's run the dependencies task and publish a build scan. To easily see all the conflict resolutions in your project, you can click on the build scan and head over to the dependencies page. We can then specifically look at the resolutions search box and request the filter selected different from requested. This view can provide more information about why and how the version of OkHttp was selected for each resolved configuration.